Big day. Fed decision, as we just mentioned, coming up at 2 p.m. Eastern. I'm looking at the CME Fed Watch tool, 99% chance of a pause. That's the general consensus. That's what everybody's expecting. What are you expecting when it comes to the Jay Powell commentary and also that summary of economic projections? A lot of people call it the dot plot, but that summary of economic projections.
Yeah, I mean, I think that the market's pretty much got the consensus right on this one. You know, Powell in this press conference, you're right. It is sort of the main show today. He's probably going to talk about the four basically Trump policy metrics that are really changing fast, and that the Fed has to get some clarity on before they know what to do next. You know, Trump's doing a lot of things obviously on trade policy that we know about, but there's also immigration policy, fiscal policy, and regulatory policy. And it's really the net effect of all those four things together that's going to determine how the Fed reacts to some of these Trump changes.
All right. I think the big question is, how does the market react to what happens today? I want to put out kind of a scenario to you, a dovish Fed. How does the market react to that? There is some speculation that the Fed might up its outlook on cuts, maybe from 2 to 2.3, and kind of lean more dovishly. What would that mean for this market that's certainly on wobbly footing?
Yeah, it is. But, I think the market is expecting a somewhat dovish pivot a little bit, just because we have gotten a little bit better inflation data recently. And there's some clouds in the growth outlook.
But is that priced in then if they're already expecting a dovish outlook? Because it seems like a dovish outlook would give this market a boost.
I think normally it would. You're right. But I don't think that we're going to get very much reaction today at all, actually. The market's actually pricing, the option market is pricing over 1% move today in stocks coming out of this Fed meeting. That's actually on the high side for what we've seen recently. That doesn't make a lot of sense to me personally, just because, as you said, like we're expecting a little bit of a dovish move. We kind of, Powell's already sort of laid out the framework for how the Fed's thinking about the policy changes. So I'm not sure what kind of new information we're going to get today that would justify that kind of pricing.
Got to ask you about NVIDIA. Had their big event yesterday. Jim Cramer's going to talk to Jensen Huang coming up on Squawk on the Street, and then Jensen Huang and Sarah Fryer coming up on Mad Money. We're going to get a lot of insight into this AI trade. Just your view on NVIDIA. Kind of rebounding this morning, but it seems like when these AI stocks are rebounding, it then leads to a sell-off. People are looking for an entry point to sell. What do you make of what you're expecting, at least for today?
I think if Jensen could do one thing, it would be talking up, the sovereign AI trade. So, everybody knows that private companies are going to be coming in to the AI thing and really spending a lot of money on CapEx to build out these capabilities. What we don't have a real clear picture is, like, what does a sovereign picture look like? How many countries, how many geographies are really going to be building this stuff at scale? That could be sort of the next leg up for NVIDIA revenue growth.
That's interesting. We had a guest from Andreessen Horowitz also talking a lot about sovereign AI and what that could mean.